Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using all drugstore products, and this is the look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. We're going to go ahead and get started. I already did one of my brows. I'm using this Wet n Wild, and this is the micro brow pencil. And I'm using the color Deep Brown. It's a little waxy. And this is honestly what takes me the longest. So for me, my eyebrows are sparse. So what I do is start towards the end. Towards the end of the brow, I'm going to put a little bit more pressure so you can see more of the color payoff. Now, one tip that I will give you that I do on a regular basis, but this is going to be good like if you're getting married, if you're going to be taking pictures and like doing your own makeup, is you want to bring the eyebrow out a little bit. The reason that I'm saying that is when you take a picture, if you don't elongate your brows, your eyebrows are going to stop like wherever if they stop beforehand, and your face is going to look rounder. So this pencil is actually really good for the price. And then as you get closer to the front of the brow, I like to go on top right here and go with a lighter hand. And then I blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows up, and I'm going to go ahead and use this concealer, Infallible by L'Oreal. And this is in the color Cashew. So you're going to go ahead and just give it the shape that you want. Like, I'm also going to be using this concealer as my eye base. While I start on my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and put the primer on. NYX Angel Veil. Look how red I am, guys. Or pink. I just set my eyelids with the Fit Me finishing powder. So with this Nudes of New York palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Creator. And I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. I actually like to bring it right towards the front of my brow. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Explorer. So this is not as big as the other brush, but I'm going to be going in the same areas that I did go with the other brush. So it's going to be a better blend and focus a little bit more of a darker color. And try not to go too far out, like right here. Right here. Try to focus this more in the crease. Alright, so I'm going to go in with that big fluffy brush again. Now I'm going to go in with the color Globetrotter. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this color. And this is Self Starter. And I'm going to go ahead and focus this right here. And I'm not going to go in too deep into the inner corner like I was with the other colors. I'm just going to go like up here and go back down. So now for my lid, I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm going to start doing the lid. So I picked up this Brilliant Eyes liquid eyeshadow, and it's by L'Oreal. This is in the color Crystal Shine. This is going to go under my lid shade. So I'm going to hold my mirror down. It's actually below me, and I'm going to look down and I'm going to see where I want to put it. While the shadow is still a little bit wet, I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and make sure to blend it. Oh my god, this is looking crazy. Don't worry guys, you can just go ahead and blend that. It's not like the Stila shadows. If you use those liquid shadows, then you know what I'm talking about. I feel like you don't even get a chance to blend them. So you did all that. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the colors Dreamer right here and Inspire right here, and I'm gonna mix them together on my brush, and I'm gonna go over the lid with that. I'm gonna go right here. Now I'm gonna go back in with the color Self Starter. I'm going to take this other brush. It's a smaller brush because I'm going to focus it. I'm going to focus it more here. I'm going to go ahead and do the liner now. Now, if you're going to do this at home and you don't usually do a wing, then I would just recommend you just line the top. If you do a wing liner, then go ahead and do it like normal. This is the Wet n Wild. This is the Megaliner. So I'm going to take that same L'Oreal concealer. And you can go ahead and sharpen that line. And I'm going to take that sponge. There we go. That's going to clean up the eye. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm using a brush because I feel like I can put it where I need it. Sometimes the applicator, it's got too much product. This concealer is full coverage, just so you know guys, like look at it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go with this this is the Wet n Wild contour stick, and this is in the color Where's Walnut. And I like the color of this one, so let me go ahead and contour. I do like it because it's also very blendable. Go ahead and blend that. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my nose contour. And I'm going to be using this smaller brush. And I'm going to take this into the up and towards the eyebrow, so everything just kind of connects. And now I'm going to take the sponge again. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes. So I'm going to take this Fit Me finishing powder again. And I'm just going to push that in to the skin. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit for a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Now I'm going to go back under my eyes and I'm going to take the shade Creator. So I also went in with the color Voyager I'm not going to go in with an eyeliner. I was going to go in with a nude colored one, but I don't have the one that I was looking for. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this Milani bronzer, and it's in the color Soleil, and it's a baked bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and contour now. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust off the powder. I'm going to take my Milani blush, and I'm taking the color Dolce Pink, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that on my cheeks. I'm going to also go in with highlighter. I'm going to take this Face and Eye Strobe palette by Milani. So that's got some color in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight with this Wet n Wild, and this is the color Golden Flower Crown. And with this same highlighter, I'm actually going to highlight my brow bone. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the same Fit Me powder. Now I'm going to put some mascara on, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Okay, and the eyelashes that I'm going to be using for today are going to be the Kiss Lashes and the Style Page Boy. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner. And this is in the color Keep It Spicy. This is the Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Seductress. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my trusty NYX pencil. This is in the color Nude Truffle. And I'm going to go ahead and put a lip gloss on. So this is optional. I guess it depends if you want more of a matte lip or a glossy lip. It's got like a blue tone to it. I don't know, I really like this one. And this is the Rimmel Stay Glossy 3D.